Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix for your online store. First, select a professional template that fits your brand and product type. Next, add your products, ensuring each has compelling descriptions and excellent photos. Finally, configure your payment gateways, offering popular options like credit cards and digital wallets for a smooth checkout experience. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful launch. Once your basic store is ready, it's time to customize. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand's unique style. Create intuitive product categories, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Remember to optimize each product page with strong keywords and clear descriptions to improve search engine visibility. A well-designed and organized store enhances the shopping experience. Effective order and shipping management are vital for customer satisfaction. Wix provides tools to track orders from placement to delivery, keeping you informed every step of the way. Set up your shipping rules, including flat rates, free shipping, or calculated rates based on location. Regularly update your inventory to ensure product availability and avoid disappointing customers. This keeps your operations running smoothly. To grow your Wix store, focus on marketing. Use email campaigns, social media promotions, and Wix's built-in SEO tools to reach a wider audience. Encourage customer reviews and offer promotions to build loyalty and drive repeat business. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously analyze your store's performance to identify areas for improvement and maximize your sales potential. Keep learning and adapting for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.